Wali Songo, 9 Wali, people who are started, are respected Islam picture in Indonesia, especially on the island of Java, because of their historical role in the spread of Islam in Indonesia. Each member of the Wali Songo is associated with the title Sunan in Japanese. This context means honorable. Most of the Grayson were also nicknamed Raden during their lifetime because they were of Aristotelian descent.
The role of Wali Songo in spreading Islam in Indonesia. Sunan Gresik, Maulana Malik Ibrahim. Maulana Malik Ibrahim is also called Sunan Gresik or the Tandes Arrangement. He was born in Samarkand, Central Asia and died in Gapura village. Gresik is Java. Sunan Gresik is one of the figures who spread Islam in Indonesia. He spread Islam in Gresik, East Java in 1931. He spread by socializing the community, establishing Islamic boarding school, and mosques and places to teach Islam. Sunan Gresik also eliminated the caste system in society by introducing Islam which does not recognize the caste system. Sunan Ampel Raden Rahmat. Sunan Ampel or Raden Rahmat is considered an elder by the order guardians. Sunan Ampel spread Islam through pesantren education in the Surabaya area. Sunan Ampel is known as the planner of the establishment of the Islamic Kingdom of Demak. Sunan Ampel teaches the philosophy of Mohlimo 5M. By Mohlimo is not wanting to commit 5 despicable acts, namely lie, drunkenness, deed, opium, madon. Sunan Bonang Magdum Ibrahim. Sunan Bonang, or known as Raden Magdum Ibrahim, spread Islam throughout. He created the song Tombo, out which is famous to this day. Javanese gamelan, which is one of the Hindu cultures, was changed with Islamic nuances by including Rabab and Bonang as a complement to Javanese gamelan.
Sunan Giri. Sunan Giri, or known as Raden Paku, not only spread Islam in Java by sending envoys outside Java sus Madura, Banten Island, Kangen Island, to Ternate and Haruka, the Maluku Island. Sunan Giri spread Islam through the outward and was very influential on the government in the Kingdom of Demak, which was the first Islamic kingdom in Java. Sunan Giri also created children games with Islamic nuances, such as Ilir-Ilir, Muslim, and Cuplak-Cuplak Suam. Sunan Derajat. Sunan Derajat, my name is Raden Saripudin, or Raden Qasim, the son of Sunan Ampel, who is famous for being intelligent. After mastering Islamic lesson, he took a place in Derajat Pileg, Pasiran District, Lamongan Regency as the center of his dakwah activities. He spread Islam by establishing a pesantren and a straw in Jalak Pileg as a pledge of Islamic preaching in the Gresik and Tuban areas, as well as creating Geding Pangkur, a song that contains the religion of Islam. Sunan Kalijaga, Raden Said. Sunan Kalijaga is the son of the Duke of Tubanam Tumenggung Wilatikta or Raden Sahur or Said Ahmad bin Mansur, Syekh Subakir. He is a student of Sunan Bonang. He spread Islam with wayang art that was inserted with Islamic teaching.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Naila Nurhaliza. I'm from Group 7. Sunan Muria. Sunan Muria is the eldest child of Sunan Kalijaga from his marriage to Dewi Sarah, daughter of Maulana Ishaq. As previously mentioned, Sunan Muria's real name is Raden Umar Said, but there are also those who mention Raden Prawoto. The nickname Sunan Muria was pinned because he lived on Mount Muria. Sunan Muria is also known to preach through the art. One of his Masapat songs is Sinom and Kinanti. Sunan Kudus. His full name is Jafar Sadiq. Sunan Kudus is the son of Habib Uthman Haji, or better known as Sunan Ngudung. His father is a son-in-law of Sunan Ampel. Through his tolerant approach to preaching, Sunan Kudus has success in inviting people in the Central Java region to embrace Islam. Sunan Gunung Jati. Syarif Hidayatullah or Sunan Gunung Jati is one of the clerics of Wali Songo, an assembly of Islamic princes in Indonesian history in the 1470 AD. This ruler is also the Sultan of Cirebon with the title Susuhan Jati. Sunan Gunung Jati's real name is Syarif Hidayatullah. By Sunan Ampel, Syarif Hidayatullah was asked to preach and spread Islam in the Cirebon area. There he became a religious teacher, replacing Syekh Datuk Kahfi at Mount Sembung.
Closing on important points. 1. Maulana Malik Ibrahim was the first wali and the teacher of the saints who spread Islam in Gresik. 2. Sunan Ampel, or called Raden Rahmat, spread Islam in Ampel Denta, Surabaya, and is known as the father of the Gordians. 3. Sunan Bonang, or called Maksum Ibrahim, spread Islam by establishing a boarding school in Tuban, Ayus, Java. 4. Sunan Derajat, or called Sarifuddin, spread Islam through Islam boarding school which were established in Derajat, Lamongan, as Java. 5. Sunan Giri, or called Raden Paku, spread Islam in Gresik through art. 6. Sunan Gunung Jati, or Syarif Hidayatullah, spread Islam in Banten in Cirebon areas. 7. Sunan Kalijaga, or called Raden Sahid, spread Islam in Denmark, establishing a boarding school Kadilangu. 11. Sunan Kudus, or called Jafar Sadiq, spread Islam in Kudus and got the title Waliul Ilmi because he mastered the science of mosques and hadith. 9. Sunan Muria, or so-called Raden Umar Said, spread Islam through the Padepokan which was founded by Mons Muria. So, it can be counted that the role of Wali Songo in Indonesia is very important, including the following. 1. As a feature of spreader of Islam in Indonesia. 2. As a supporter and advisor to the Islamic kingdom. 3. As a regional culture developer that contains conformity with Islam in searching. Thank you.
Worst of all, I wish I killed at least 1,000 times or more just to hear